Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change password on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then access your account at the bottom side of your screen, and here in the top right corner find gear icon. This is settings, and then at the top proceed to profile and then to account information, and finally find your password. And now AliExpress asks you to enter email verification code that is sent to your email address that is connected to your AliExpress account. So enter this code right here, and then finally you can change your password on AliExpress. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.